$32 mascara versus a $10 mascara. Can you guys tell which eye is which? I'm going to compare one of my favorite waterproof mascaras versus a $10 mascara that people are saying is extremely similar and might be a dupe. $9.99. So $10. Ooh, ew, what is that? What is that? Why is it white? Did I even put that on? I just picked it up from Target, so we'll see. Maybe some kind of oil in here. Let's curl my lashes. I always like to curl my lashes before applying mascara. Left eye, YSL, right eye, L'Oréal. Let's do this. I added a tiny bit to the lower lash line just to kind of even out the balance, but I am pretty impressed with the waterproof version of the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I'm very excited to see how the L'Oreal one performs throughout the day. So I will see you guys throughout the day, maybe just a couple of times just to see what it does. Just came home from my sister's house and it's been 7.5, almost 8 hours. I was gonna do an update there, but I completely forgot. I asked my sister which eye she liked better, and she was like, I keep gravitating towards your left eye. Just something about the way your lashes are curled and the way they're lifted. They just stand apart from the right eye. So I'm noticing also transfer. She said she noticed it as well, and that was like around the 3-hour mark on the upper eyelid. Do you guys see that? From that right there. There is no transfer here. There's no transfer on the lower lash line with the YSL, but on the L'Oreal, you can see a little bit of shadowing right there and quite a bit on the upper eyelashes, on the upper eyelid. I usually don't have any transfer, even with regular mascara on the upper eyelid. So I'm kind of shocked that I have some with this mascara, with the L'Oreal, the waterproof version. I don't know if it was that weird, I don't know, it looked like oil that was not dispersed in the mascara formula. When I just opened it, so I'm not sure what this is. I feel like with the YSL, the lashes feel a little more stiff and it feels like a waterproof formula. Like the lashes, they're just not going anywhere. Versus the L'Oreal, they're not as stiff. So maybe that's what it is, the conditioning lashes, the conditioning formula. I think the lashes overall still look really, really pretty. They're still lifted and curled, but I feel like I'm noticing there is a little bit of drop on the outer lashes in comparison to the YSL. Like, do you see how the curl, it's still, the lashes, they're still perfectly curled. They're still lifted. There's no transfer. And this is why I just like this mascara. It's not like, I love this mascara so much. I just don't love the price tag. It's $32. And I feel like for mascaras, for me personally, I don't like to spend a lot of money on mascaras because at the drugstore, you can find so many beautiful formulas. We are well over 13 hours and this is what the eyelashes are looking like. I was looking at them really close and I think they both still look really good, honestly. I just really want to see how it is to take off the L'Oreal mascara. So what I like to do first is take some kind of cleansing balm or cleansing oil. And I'll usually sometimes have to do this like 2 or 3 times before I go in with like my last cleanse, just to make sure I get everything off. And I go on my dry face without anything. I feel like the L'Oreal one is breaking apart a lot easier than the YSL. And then I'll just get it wet, my hands, and really emulsify everything. This just helps it break down even further. And then I like to take my makeup eraser and I just like hold it over my eyes. And then gently just kind of going in a circular motion. Very gentle though. This, I feel like, helps it break down even further. I mean, just look at that difference already. Second cleanser. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye.